Welcome to our quick guide on using the Expert Option demo account. Today, we'll explore how you can enhance your trading skills without any risks. Let's begin by creating your demo account. Visit the Expert Option website, click on Sign Up, and follow the steps to set up your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see the demo account dashboard. This is your trading environment where you can practice without any funding. Navigating through the trading platform is straightforward. You'll find various tools at your disposal to analyze market trends. Here are some tips. Start by testing different strategies, review your trades, and adapt based on market conditions. Understanding the difference between demo and live accounts is crucial. The demo account is risk-free. The live account involves real money. Avoid common pitfalls, such as overtrading or neglecting a trading plan. Focus on disciplined trading. Know when to transition from demo to live trading. Make the switch when you consistently see profits in the demo environment. Using a demo account is an excellent way to build confidence and develop your trading skills without any pressure. So why wait? Start practicing on the Expert Option demo account and pave your way to successful trading.